Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download Instagram profile picture. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to search that account or profile picture that you want to download. For example, this one right here. Now what you're going to do is you have to visit this person or this account's profile and then tap this three dots at the top right corner and then look for copy link. Okay, so you have to click this copy link right here. As you can see, link copied. Now you have to go to any web browser. This time I have to look for Google web browser. And then what you're going to do is you have to go to the search icon or search more. Now you have to type here, download Instagram profile picture or Instagram profile picture download. You will see some websites right here. So you just have to select one. But for me, I have to choose the very first link, I guess. But actually, everything is up to you. So save Insta free, then tap this one right here, and then what you're going to do is you have to paste the link that you have copied from that person's or that profile on Instagram. So paste it right here, okay? Right click or paste it right here, and then after that, what you're going to do is to click this view button right here. Scroll down, you will see the result below. And if you can see it right away, then all you have to do is to tap this view again and scroll down. So below you will see the account or the Instagram account's profile picture. And all you have to do is to simply download this one. So this is what it looks like. All you have to do is to click this download image and it will download the image right away. So sometimes it depends on your internet connection, but you just have to wait and then tap this download image and then you have to wait for a couple of seconds, then you will see the image that you have downloaded. So that's how easy it is to download Instagram profile picture. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel, and if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below, and see you again in our next video tutorials.